Psychrat India. Since we were discussing about the paper one also, some strategies are very important for handling paper one. So I already discussed about some of the logical reasoning, like mathematical reasoning, and from unit 1 to 5, generally it is considered as a traditional area for psychology students, and all other students is more predictable. But when it is comes to higher education and science, people and environment, and ICT, so particularly ICT and people and environment, you need extra effort, particularly humanity students. Like there are tendency, like they are asking the questions from current affairs also. Like ICT education, they may ask you 2 to 3 questions from current oriented happenings, like rankings, institutions rankings, NIRF, or some other changes. So what you can, if you want to get good score, like 4 or 5 out of 5, you have to ICT and in higher education and people environment, you need to be more on current affairs, you need to be aware of more changes. Traditionally reading just facts won't work in ICT and higher education and people and environment. So what you have to do is, apart from reading your previous year question papers, and also be aware of that certain changes happens in our surroundings, and also read some newspaper if it is possible, like making some points, or current affairs, maybe related to international agreements, related to environment, or some any institutional rankings, like university, various universities getting rankings, accreditations. So you need to be change something happening around education. So since they are also want to check the awareness of the candidate, what happening educational institution, since you are going to academician, so it's very important to understand the surroundings. So if you want to get good score, so you need to be focus different approach on people and environment, ICT, and these two paper, and higher education, so current affairs related, most changes is there. So if you want to get good amount of score, so you need to be different approach, not just reading other traditional area. You need to be more focus on some current affairs, some changes happening around us. You need some little bit beyond your limitations, you need to be work on that. So that is what I want to say, that these three units, you need to be special attention and special approach is needed. So that is the reason I make this video. So if you keep following my video, thank you so much.